Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Local. I'm going to make lasagna for you today, and not just any lasagna, we're making veggie lasagna. When I say veggie lasagna, strictly veg, the layers, like you use pasta, we're going to use vegetables. I'm going to show you how we slice the zucchini and we slice the eggplant, and that's going to be our layers, right? And we have some good vegetables there, and we have a lovely tomato sauce, and as well as we can't forget the cheese and the lasagna. It's just not lasagna, right? So we have a lovely cheese sauce to make for you guys there, and it's just going to come together really quickly, so let's begin. So we're going to start by preparing our layers. I just sliced some zucchini and I have some eggplant here. Now I sliced it a little bit on the thick side. We don't want it on the thin side because when it goes into the oven with all that liquid, it's really going to melt down, right? So we just have these slices here. And I have some olive oil, salt, and black pepper. What I'm going to do is just drizzle the olive oil and season it with some salt and black pepper. So the next step is to make the filling. And we're going to use vegetables. I have here some tomatoes, some eggplant, sweet pepper. I have onion, garlic, tomato paste. Please do not use ketchup, please. Tomato paste is just richer, and trust me, you're going to see the difference. Don't use ketchup, guys. Right? I just have some sugar, some thyme, and we have some parsley. So we're going to start with our cuisine soybean oil. And I'm going to start off with the onion and the garlic. So what I did is that I cut all the vegetables in medium-sized dices, because what I realized is that when we put this into the oven, everything is going to melt down, and I really want you to still be able to pick up a piece of eggplant, a piece of tomato. You know, I want everything to melt down in one. So I'm just going to add some garlic here. So next we're going to add our eggplant, sweet peppers, and I have tomatoes. At this stage, go ahead and add your salt and your black pepper. So once everything is fully coated with the salt and black pepper, we're going to add our tomato paste. Tomato paste tends to be very acidic and tangy, so what I like to do to balance that out, to add some brown sugar to it. So now I'm going to add some thyme, some oregano as well. If you have rosemary, that'll do good as well. So we're going to let this cook for 5 minutes, and then we're going to go on and start our cheese sauce. To make a cheese sauce is really simple. We're going to start off with making a roux. A roux is basically a thickening agent for the cheese sauce, right? So we're going to start off with butter, which is our fat. We're going to melt the butter. So we have our melted butter, and next for a roux, we're going to add our flour. And this is what's really going to help thicken the whole thing, right? So we're just going to whisk in our flour here. Right, so we're going to add this. And little by little, it's going to thicken up on you really, really quickly. So we're going to keep this on a medium flame and keep whisking until it reaches a thick consistency. So as you can see, it's this lovely thick mixture, and we haven't even added the cheeses yet. So I have some mozzarella here, some shredded mozzarella. Right, so you're going to whisk that in, and it's that simple. So time for assembly. So we have our prepared eggplant and zucchini slices. We have our tomato and veg sauce, and we have our lovely cheese sauce. Now I just greased my casserole dish. We're going to start off by taking the eggplant slices and placing them on the bottom. Just want to make sure you cover the entire base. Next we're going to add our sauce, our veg and tomato sauce. She's just going to layer this. Oh, this looks so good already, guys. Right? Now this may sound weird, but I feel as though adding a little bit of pineapple, the sweetness, gonna kind of help bring everything together. This is me, I love pineapple. I know a lot of people don't like pineapple out there, but I'm using the cuisine pineapple chunks, and I'm just gonna place it in different areas here. Right, and next we're gonna go with the zucchini, and we're gonna do the same thing. But this time, we're gonna take the cheese sauce and place it on top. So now we're gonna take the cheese sauce and add it. So just make sure you spread it and try and have an even layer as possible. And last, we're gonna top it off with cheese. Yes, more cheese. So here we have it, guys, our veggie lasagna. And as you can see the little bit of layers of eggplant and zucchini, eggplant again, and of course the top is loaded with cheese. So without further ado, I'm gonna try it. It's a little hot still, but I'm gonna have it. Okay. Making sure to pick up a piece of pineapple. This is good. Wow. So as always, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this dish. And not just because it's vegetarian, you just have to make it strictly vegetarian. Make it your own. You can put some minced beef, some minced chicken, some mushrooms will go great in this dish, guys. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, bye.